So hi everyone, it's Ivy again of Belpoo, and we are back for another video, and this time we will talk about the active ingredients of Lumibella. And if nakita ninyo ang akong mga previous video, I said that Lumibella is a three-tone variant of Belpoo soap. So it's a new variant of Belpoo soaps. In the previous video also, I mentioned that it has three powerhouse ingredients, which are the papaya, licorice, and lactic acid. So this video, we will only talk about the papaya first para dili ka radyaw siya taas. So, kabalo ba ka nga, isa sa sekreto sa pinkish glow effect ni Lumibella is the papaya or the papaya extract. Okay, because ang papaya or the papaya extract is a natural skin lightener. So, natural siya na ingredient that will make our skin lighter. So, it will help your skin para mag-fade ang mga dark spots o katong mga acne marks. So, to those who wants to use it in the face, kalabi na tong mga naay mga acne marks dira and then ay mga uneven skin tone, so perfect kaayo ang Lumibella because it has the papaya extract, which is one of the main active ingredient. So again, it will help the your skin to fade the dark spots and the acne marks. And of course, dili lang siya sa face, kaya of course there are other people na nabitaw siya mga medyo pimple marks or acne marks kay na labi na sa back parts na gyud naiiban na dili lang sa face ginatubuan og acne and uneven skin tone, mga dark marks. So this one is perfect. So nara siya ang atong Lumibella soap. And bonus pagyod. So isa pagyod, another thing is that ga-exfoliate ni siya in a gentle way. Yes, so because of papaya, it can also make our skin na mag-exfoliate. And when we say exfoliate is ang mga dead skin cells ay kanabitang mga kuha siya naturally or gently sa inyong mga skin or whichever part of your body nga imo siyang i-apply. So bye-bye dull skin and hello radiant glow, di ba? And so, try now the Lumibella and try the power of papaya. So, this one is for you, Belpoo babes. Thank you for being here. Padayon ta.